First you have to find out the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2 only. So the numbers are which are divisible by 2 or what's that which are divisible by 2 from 1 to 100. So what's our numbers? 2, 4, 6 up to 100 only. So the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2. Sum one. These numbers sum. Right. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus 100. Sum. Next, in these all are the terms, 2 is common. So all are the remaining terms, we write it in our brackets. So 2 is it's over. In first term is 1 plus second term is 2 plus third term is 3 and so on plus 250. 250 is 100. So okay, 2 is common. Take it is. And next remaining all are the terms in our brackets one. Next to these are all numbers in bracket terms by using the sum of the first natural numbers formula by using it for bracket terms. Since by using the sum of the what's one formula by using what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. This is formula by using for bracket terms. But here it is n equal 51. So n values is substitute in this formula. So 2 into n is 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. Are you clear? So next 2 into 50 into 50 plus 1 51 by 2. So 2 is cancelled. We will get this one 50 into 51. Multiplication of these two terms, how much of value will come? So 51 50 is 0 0 1 is 0 0 5 is 0 5 1 is 5 5 5 is 25. So how much of value will come? 2550. This is the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2 only. This sum. Next we have to find out the sum of the integers which are divisible by another number. That number is 5 only. Okay. The numbers are which are divisible or that are divisible by 5 from 1 to 100 or what's that? 5 divisible by 5 means all are the 5 multiples only. Do you know the multiples, Gagan Sai?
Yeah.
What's the multiples? So 5, 5, 10, next 15 up to 100. These all is the numbers from 1 to 100, 5 multiples. Next, the sum of the sum of the integers. You have to find out this one only. Sum of the integers from 1 to 100. Otherwise, the sum of the above numbers from 1 to 100, which are divisible. Divisible by 5. Next, sum 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus and so on plus 100. So in all these lower terms, 5 is common. Which one is the common? 5 is common only. All are the remaining terms, we write it in our brackets. First term 5 is over and remaining is 1 plus second number 2. Next third 3 up to 100. 100 means is the 20 only. Okay, 25 is a 100, 500, 510 is a 100 only. Are you clear, Gagan? Neatly.
Yes.
In these all are the terms, 5 is common, so 5 is common, take it out, and next all are the remaining terms, you write it in our brackets. So now by using the sum of the natural numbers formula, n into n plus 1 by 2 for bracket terms. For bracket terms, by using this formula, since by using the which formula using, here it is Gagan side, for bracket terms this one only, n into n plus 1 by 2. Since this formula you are using in this bracket terms only, so here n equal 20. So 5 into 20 into 20 plus 1, n into n plus 1 by 2.
n into n plus 1 by 2.
Yeah, do you know the formula?
Yes.
Yes, that n value are substitute in this formula, we will get this value only. So 20 into 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. So removing the brackets, first simplify this one, 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja, and next 5 into removing the brackets, 10 into 21. So 5 10 ja 50, 50 into 21. Multiplication of these two terms, how much of value will come? So 0, 0 1 ja 0, 0 2 ja 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So 0 5 0 1, 1050. Sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 5. What's the sum? This one only, 1500 only. Next step, 2 plus 5. So sum of the integers. Next in the sum of the integers from 1 to 100, both only. The sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible. Are divisible by 2 and 5. Okay. What is the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2? 2 is 2550 plus 5 is 1050. So total sum of these two terms, how much of value will come? 2550 plus 1050. So total is 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10. So 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3. So how much of value will get? 3600. So this is the both one only which are divisible by 2 and 5 from 1 to 100 sum. This is the sum only. Okay. Next, subtracting 10. Here it is the first take LCM. LCM of 2 comma 5 equal 10 only. If any number is divisible by 10 and it is also divisible by 2 or 5 also, we know that point only. So first you write it the 10 multiples only, the numbers are which are divisible by 10 from 1 to 100, or numbers 10 multiples only. Okay, why? Because take the LCM on 2 comma 5 equal 10 only. So 10 multiples we write it. What's the 10 multiples? 10, 20, 30 and so on 100. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Next, the sum of the, we have to find out the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 10 only. How to find out this one? The sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 10. Okay, 10. What's the sum of these above numbers? The sum of the above numbers. Otherwise that point also write, or otherwise that also. The sum of above numbers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 10. Otherwise this one only. 10 plus these are the number sum up to 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 100 sum only. So these are all the terms. Which one is the common? 10 is common only. 10 is common. All are the remaining terms you write it in your brackets. First term is 10 is common, it's over, and remaining is 1. And next second term 2. Next third term 3. Up to 100. 100 means is 10 only. 10 into 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 10 3 ja 30, 10 10 ja 100. Okay. So 10 is, write it, and these are the bracket terms by using the one formula. For bracket terms by using the one formula, that formula you do know the formula Gagan sai. Since by using one formula, sum of the first n natural numbers formula, n into n plus 1 by 2 only. This formula by using for bracket term, and these two 1 to 10. Here n equal to 10. Okay, n equal 10. All are the substitute, n value substitute in this formula. So 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. This is the bracket terms. Next 10 into, simplify this one, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 10. So 5 into 10 plus 1 11. Remove the brackets, this one only. So 10 into, this is the 10 plus 1 11 only. 10 into 11 into 5 is a 55. 55 10. 55 into 10 equal to 550. Okay, multiplication of these two terms, we will get this one only, 550 only. What is the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 10 only? Okay, simple logic, this one only. 2 plus 5 minus 10, we will get this one only. So next, the sum of the, therefore finally the sum of the required numbers equal to, what's the first this one only, 3600 minus this one only, 550. Okay, this one 2 plus 5 minus 10 equal to this one only, required numbers. from 1 to 100. Otherwise this one, the sum of the integers from 1 to 100. How much of value we will get? Subtracting of these two terms, how much of value we will get? 550. 0, 0. And next subtracting only. So here it is subtracting of 10 borrow 10 minus 5, 5. And remaining is 5 only. So next 3. So how much of value will get Gagan Sai? 3051. Okay, the sum of the required numbers, this one. Hence, the sum of the, finally you can say that only, this is the final answer. Hence, the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2 or 5 equal to this sum. This is the answer. Okay, are you clear Gagan sir? Yeah. Otherwise is no problem. Okay. Are equal. Yeah, this is the solution of the 9th problem. Solution is over. Next 10th problem. We will go to the 10th problem only. First I read the problem in our textbook. I read it only. Gagan sir, be carefully, listen but neatly. Find the sum of integers from 11 to 1000 which are divisible by 3. First what is given, what is asked? The sum of the integers from 11 to 1000 which are divisible by 3 is given only. Find how to find out the sum only. That is asked. It is asked, find the sum of the integers 11 to 1000 which are divisible by that only. First we have 10th problem. First given data how to write it in our given problem. What is given? The sum of integers from 1 to 1000 which are, look at that notebook Gagan side, be carefully, listen better neatly, divisible by 3. Okay, to find the sum of the, how to find out the sum of the required numbers. Sum of the required numbers and the sum. Okay, the sum of the required numbers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 3 only. That is asked. We have to find out that one. Let the solution for this problem. First, how we'll do this problem? How will you find out this Gagan side? The sum of the integers from 1 to 1000 which are divisible by 3.
I don't know.
The sum of the required numbers, that is the asked question only. So first you have to find out this one only. The sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 3 only. First the numbers. The numbers are which are divisible by divisible by 3 from 1 to 1000. So what's the which are divisible by 3 means 3 multiples only. So do you know the 3 multiples Gagan side? Not 1 to 1000, 11 to 1000 only. In given question 11 to 1000 only. Okay, the sum of the numbers which are divisible by 3, 11 to 1000, or all are the 3 multiples. From 11 is it divisible by 3? No. Next number 12 only. So 3 multiples. To write it 12. Next 15, 18. Next up to 999. Okay, from 1 to 1000 only. So the sum of the above numbers from 11 to 1000 which are divisible by 3. Which are divisible by 3. Sum of the above numbers, sum 12 plus 15 plus 18 and so on plus 99 only sum. So which one is the common? 3 is common out all. So remaining terms all are write it in your brackets. In the first term 3 is common, it's over. Next remaining is first term 4, next 5, next 6 up to 999. So 333 only. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18 up to 333 into 3. We will get this one 199 only. We will get this one. Are you clear ka neatly? Next, this is the sum of the integers from 11 to 1000 which are divisible by 3. How will you get this one? First we have to find out the sum of the integers from 1 to 1000 minus sum of the integers from 1 to 10 which are divisible by 3 only. Both are which are divisible by 3 only. We will get this one only. Okay, this one. This is sum. We will get it only. First that point write it. The sum of the integers. You have to find out this one. The sum of the integers from 1 to 1000 which are divisible by 3. The sum of the integers from 1 to 1000 which are divisible by 3, subtracting of the sum of the integers from 1 to 10 which are divisible by 3. Which are divisible by 3 only. Okay? Subtracting of these two terms, we will get this one only. Okay? This sum only. So, first, one by one, we have to find out the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 3 and first we have to find out that point only. The numbers are which are divisible by 3 from 1 to 1000. Okay? Or what are the which are divisible by 3 means 3 multiples only. 3 multiples you write it only. What's the multiples? 3, 6, 9 and so on. 900. This one only. 999 only. Okay. Up to 1000 only. So these are all. Next, the sum of how to find out the sum of the above numbers. Above numbers from 1 to 1000 which are divisible by 3. The sum of the above numbers 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus up to plus 999 only. So which one in all these terms Which one is the common? 3 is the common only. So 3 is common. Remaining all other terms you write it in your brackets only. In first term 3 is common, it's over. Next first one only. Next second term 2. Next third term 3 plus up to 333. Okay, 3 is common. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 333 into 3 we will get this one only. Okay, are you clear?
Yeah.
So 3 has it is write it. Next in the bracket terms, these lower terms by using one formula. What's the formula? Sum of the natural numbers. Since by using sum of the first n natural numbers formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula by using for bracket terms. Here n equal to 333. So n value substitute in this formula, we will get answer only. So first n is 333 into 333 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 3 into 333 into 333 plus 1, 334 by 2. Simplify this one. 2 1 ja, here it is the 2 1 ja, 2, 1 is left, 13. So 2 6 the 12, 1 left, so 14. 2 7 ja 14. Are you clear Gagan neatly? 3 into removing the brackets, 333 into 167. Okay, product of these all the terms, how much of value will come? Much of a value will come? 333 is already know this value. 999 into 167. Product of these two terms. Much of value will come? 7 9 ja 63. 7 9 ja 63. 63 plus 6, 69. Next 7 9 ja 63. 63 plus 6, 69. 6 9 ja 54. 54. Next 9 6 ja 54. 54 plus 5, 59. Next 9 6 ja 54. 54 plus 5, 59. 1 9 ja 9. 1 9 ja 9. 1 9 ja 9. So sum of these are all three terms only. 3 9 plus 4, 13. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 8. 1 plus 1, 2, 28. Next, these all are only. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. Next, here it is 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9, 60. Okay, this value, we will get this value. 1,66,833. This is the sum of the integers from 1 to 1000 which are divisible by 3 only. Next we have to find out the sum of the integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 3. Why? Because here it is the given problem. What is 11 to from 11 to 100 only. So this one only. From we have to find out the up to 10. We have to find out the sum of the integers from 1 to 10 up to 10 which are divisible by 3 only. Why? Because here it is the give problem is 11 to 1000. the numbers are which are divisible by 3 from 1 to 10. Okay, 10 are 3 multiples. You write it the 3 multiples up to 10 only. 3, 6, 9. Okay, only 3 numbers only. The sum of the above numbers. The sum of the above numbers from 1 to 10, which are divisible by 3. Which are divisible by 3 only. Okay, these are sums only. 3 plus 6 plus 9. So in these three terms, which one is the common? 3 is common only. So remaining terms you write it in your brackets. First term 3 is common, it's over 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. So in these terms by using one formula, bracket terms, since by using one formula, that formula is sum of the first n natural numbers, that is the n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula by using for bracket terms, these terms. Here it is n equal to 3. n equal to 3, substitute in this formula. So 3 into 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So 3 into 3 plus 1 means 4 by 2. Simplify this one. 2 1 ja, cancellation in the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So removing the brackets, 3 2 ja 6. So 3 6 ja 18. Okay. Subtracting of these two terms only, we will get this one only. We will get this the required numbers of from 11 to 1000 only. I want this one only. How will you get this one? This one only. The sum of integers from 1 to 1000 minus the sum of the integers from 1 to 10. These are which are divisible by 3 only. Divisible by 3. So the sum of the integers from 1 to 100, which are divisible by 3. What's the value? You got it only this value, only this one only. 1,66,833. You already we know that only this value. Next this one only. The sum of the integers from 1 to 100, which are divisible by 3. This one only. Subtracting of these two terms, how much of value will come? 18. Borrow 13 minus 8 is 5. 2 minus 1 1. Next 8 6 6 1. Okay, we will get this value 1,66,815. Okay, this is final answer. Final answer means this one. The sum of the integers from 11 to 1000 divisible by 3. We will get this one. This is the sum one. Therefore, the sum of the required numbers from 11 to 1000 equal to this one. 1,66,815. Okay, finally the sum of the required numbers which are divisible by this one, otherwise ends. Sum of the integers which are divisible by divisible by 3 from 11 to 1000 is this one, 1,66,850. This is the final answer. Okay, Gagan neatly, are you understood? Therefore, exercise 15.6, all problems and solutions is over. Next, 8th class maths syllabus is over. 8th class mathematics, all chapters, exercises, all chapters, it's over. 8th class maths, all chapters is over. Say thank you, have a nice day, Gagan Sai. Claps. Class maths, all chapters is over. Exercises is over. Okay, say bye bye, thank you, have a nice day, Gagan Sai. Are you understood up to today class, Gagan Sai? Yeah, say bye bye. If you any doubt you ask me, Gagan Sai. Say thank you, have a nice day.
Say bye bye.
All the best for your final examinations. Say thank you, have a nice day. Say bye bye, like, share and subscribe.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.